I know how difficult it is to build up a following and build an audience when you really don't have anything to offer them. I'm going to show you how to create free training that you can give to your audience so that they begin to know, like, and trust you and be more willing to buy from you. And you can use this free training to give away for any kind of products or promotions that you're trying to run. Maybe you're running some kind of program that has a referral system, and you can give them this free training on to tell them on how they can get their own referrals. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to build a platform. The best place to do this by far is on a Facebook group. So take the mastermind group I have set up for the Wealth Attitude brand here, right? So in this particular mastermind group, what I've done is I've utilized this files section here, right? So if you click on this files section, there's tons of free training right here. And the reason why I put it in the files is because you can download these, right? You can just click and download. And now people can use these either for themselves for additional training, or they can take these particular videos and they can create their own free training system. Now, I specifically made these so that they are generic, so that you can promote anything that you're looking to promote. And I have forums, I have Facebook, and I'm going to go through all the major platforms like Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, anywhere that there's a bunch of traffic that could be potentially used and utilized, right? And it's going to be all in this right here, right? So when you are going on, say, Facebook, and you're trying to promote this, whatever your particular group is, you now have free training. So if you're doing a YouTube video, you can say, hey, I have a completely 100% free Facebook group where you can learn top-notch training on whatever niche you're in. Say you're in dog training. You can learn the top-notch tips and tricks for dog training, and I have tons of free videos that you can download, right? And then you literally just have you upload the files right here, and they have all the free training that you can. Now, for you guys that are in promoting affiliate products, and you're in the make money online, this is free training that you can give them to teach them on how to promote their affiliate products, right? So let's say they're into MCA, which is it's an LMM program, right? Multi-level marketing. What you can do with this is you can give them the free training, and in that case, they can literally go on and learn the tips and the tricks from you, and you can build an audience that way. You can say, hey, listen, in your YouTube video, I'm a member of MCM, and these are the benefits, and if you join underneath me, you're going to get access to my personal mastermind group where I have say 25 free videos and free training step by step on how you can promote this program, right? So that's an enticing. It's the bonus system. It's the bonus structure. They feel like they're getting 100% value from you. Now, you can do this in YouTube as well. You can set a playlist instead of having it in a Facebook group. You can say, hey, check out my training. The links are in the description, and you can check out all my training videos. And you just set the training videos to private, and then the link to the playlist you put in the video. You could do it that way as well. You don't necessarily have to do the Facebook group. I particularly like the Facebook group in itself because it's an extra avenue that you can communicate with your fan base. It works really well with training. They can ask instant questions and get responses from you. So this is one way that you can give away free training to your group. So you can model my success. You can literally take these particular videos if you so like, or what I would do is learn the videos and then recreate them with your own voice and your own picture if you so choose, and that way you're able to seem more authentic. All right, so you basically are copying success here. All right, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.